Good afternoon. It's February 24th, 2017. My name is Marty Lester, and I'm talking to you from the law offices of Lester Law in Hickson, Tennessee, with this week's update on immigration in the United States. It has been a major week for immigration in the United States because now, for the first time, we've seen the actual written details of President Trump's planned deportation force. I'm talking, of course, about the memos that were issued earlier this week by General Kelly, the new Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security. They lay out how the President's executive order on deportation will be enforced, and they're very, very sobering. They include a few main points that everybody should be aware of. First, the expanded list of priorities. Under the new memo, everyone who has committed any kind of criminal offense, no matter how small, no matter if they've even been convicted or not, is now a priority for deportation. Second, the rules have changed. For people who have been in the country for less than 2 years, the government is going to start using a process known as expedited removal to try to remove them from the United States without even a hearing before an immigration judge. Third, they're going to expand detention. They're going to reopen federal prisons that have been closed and build new facilities down at the southern border. And finally, we're starting to see the shape of the deportation force itself. The hiring of 10,000 new federal ICE law enforcement officers and the use of local and state law enforcement officers to assist in the detention and removal of illegal immigrants or those who are in the country without any sort of authorization. If this sounds frightening, it should be, because over the next year or so, we're going to see changes that are going to have a fundamental impact on American society. But now is not the time to simply be afraid. Now is the time to take action, to know what to do in order to protect your rights. We're holding a series of events around Chattanooga to help people know what their rights are and how to be protected. The next one is on February 28th at 7 p.m. at the Public Library downtown. It'll be in both English and Spanish. We'll continue our monthly series at Mad Priest Coffee Roasters and other events that'll be posted on our Facebook page. As always, if you have any questions, whether it's about your personal immigration case or immigration law in general, please contact us at area code 423-402-0608 or visit us online at www.lesterlaw.org. Thanks very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.